if you want to make some color, it's not very much for your products. For example, anti-silver, loose color, you can choose the small tank for plating the small quantity, and after plating, washing also, and go to the electronical color protection tank also, and then by the manual cleaning by clean water. After the electrolytic color protection tank, then 3 times washing by hand, and then hand the hanger to this, over this, okay? Here I have a 2 line. So this 2 line for fully automatic washing. So we can see here many tanks for washing. So put inside, come up, down. So this is for washing. And this one is for ultrasonic cleaning, because by ultrasonic can clean the production well. And then here again washing by clean water. And see here, so in here we will put one chemical inside which can remove the water from the production very well, surface very well. So here some chemical inside by ultrasonic clean, and here by the cleaning water cleaning. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So every step with the 8 pieces cleaning water, and that one is a 6. First one is 8. So that is all the process for this fully automatic cleaning tank. Thank you. So after cleaning, we move the hanger to here, And what's the function for this tank? This tank is for the electronic painting. So as you know, after hanging plating, there has a traditional one way for the transparent lacquer protection. Normally we use the hanging transparent lacquer painting way by the hanging painting pen. But here, now more and more customers choose the electronic deep print transparent painting. So this is a electronic painting by the transparent lacquer. By this way, the cost is more down and the color everywhere. For example, for our slider, so completely slider even inside can be protected well by the electronic transparent pen protection. Also in here, our customer, they want to make some black color, red color, blue color, or another color electronic painting, because this customer's workshop, many products is jewelry, not just the back accessory. So after electronic painting, we will take to here for the cleaning by hand cleaning, okay? And after hand cleaning, by hand deep print for washing clean, and then come to here. This too is a negative pole for the discrete electronical discrete protection. I mean the electronic color protection. And then here washing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times for washing again. So all this process in this area for the electronic painting.